Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're doing great. So this here is a motherboard, and right there, what I'm holding on the tweezer is an LCD connector that the 19-volt lines were blown because it suffered liquid damage. We fixed the motherboard. The motherboard was switching on. We tested the display with the HDMI, and the motherboard was working perfectly. So we had to fix both of these connectors. This is a donor board that we are getting those two connectors out from. Both the LCD and the camera connectors, they are affected. As you can see on this side, the center line, the two center pins are affected, and on this one, and on the LCD connector is the three 19-volt lines that are affected. So the ports are out, and we're now going to fix those pads and make sure that we have solder on top of them so that we lay on top the new connectors successfully. Right there, I had already taken them out successfully, and mind you, I realized that a trick that I saw someone using. So the parts are fixed, and you can apply direct heat on top of the ports even if they have plastic, but when you lower the temperature to a particular point, the solder will melt, enabling you to lay the pot successfully, but the plastic will not melt. So it worked successfully, and now it was time to test with a screen, and the job was a success. So if you have any power issue, liquid damage issues, make sure you bring them in, especially liquid damage, as soon as possible to avoid further damage. See you on the next one.